Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Milani Color Corrector Palette is probably one of the most versatile and effective tools in any makeup enthusiast's arsenal, designed to neutralize and camouflage imperfections like dark circles, redness, and blemishes with its expertly curated shades, ensuring a flawless canvas for your foundation and concealer application, making it an indispensable item for achieving a perfected complexion that looks naturally smooth and even-toned, ready for any look you desire. Number 5. NYX Professional Makeup Color Correcting Concealer Palette. Introducing the ultimate tool for a flawless complexion. This palette helps neutralize imperfections and even out skin tone. Say goodbye to redness, dark circles, and blemishes. Our advanced formula targets specific concerns for a smooth canvas. Achieve a uniform and radiant complexion. It effortlessly blends to create a natural-looking finish. Get that professional makeup artist look without leaving your home. It's easy to use for beginners and experts alike. Unlock your skin's true potential. This palette is your secret weapon for a perfected appearance every day. What we like. This palette offers a range of shades to tackle various discoloration concerns. Its blendable formula makes application a breeze. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for blemishes, dark circles, and redness, this is a great choice. What people say. The Milani Color Corrector Palette is a game-changer for achieving a flawless complexion. This palette effectively neutralizes dark circles, redness, and blemishes, providing a smooth canvas for foundation. The creamy texture blends seamlessly into the skin, making it easy to use for both beginners and makeup artists. Number 4. Milani Make It Last Dewy Setting Spray. Introducing the Milani Make It Last Dewy Setting Spray. This innovative spray is designed to prime, set, and hydrate your makeup. Achieve a beautiful, dewy finish that lasts. It keeps your makeup looking fresh for up to 16 hours. Its 3-in-1 formula works to prepare your skin, lock in your look, and provide essential hydration. Formulated with a moisturizing biphase, it delivers both hydration and a radiant illumination to your complexion. This setting spray is your secret weapon for a flawless, dewy makeup look that stays put all day. What we like. Achieve a hydrated, illuminated look that lasts up to 16 hours. It primes, sets, and hydrates your makeup in one step. If you desire a dewy glow and a makeup look that stays put all day, this is perfect for you. What people say. This palette is a holy grail for covering up dark circles and redness. The colors blend seamlessly and provide excellent coverage without looking cakey. It's incredibly versatile, allowing you to customize shades for your specific skin tone concerns. Number 3. Aesthetica Cosmetics Cream Contour and Highlight Kit. Achieve a sculpted and radiant look with our cream contour and highlighting kit. It's designed to enhance your natural features with ease. Feel good about your beauty choices. This palette is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, ensuring ethical and high-quality makeup. Simplify your routine with this versatile palette. It works as both a foundation and concealer, providing flawless coverage. Never struggle with contouring again. We've included easy-to-follow instructions to help you master the technique. This is your secret weapon for a perfectly defined face. Get ready to create stunning dimension and glow. What we like. Sculpt and illuminate your features with this versatile kit. It's formulated to be vegan and cruelty-free, with easy-to-follow instructions. If you're new to contouring or want a clean beauty option for defining your face, this is an excellent pick. What people say. This palette is amazing for correcting dark circles and redness. The colors blend seamlessly and provide excellent coverage. It's a must-have for achieving a flawless complexion. Number 2. Milani Color Statement Nude Lipliner. Achieve perfectly defined lips with our creamy lip liner. It glides on smoothly to outline your natural shape. Effortlessly shape your lips for a fuller appearance. This pencil allows for precise application to create your desired look. Fill in your lips to create a flawless base for lipstick. Its smooth texture ensures comfortable wear throughout the day. The versatile nude shade complements any lipstick color. It's the perfect companion for a natural or bold lip look. Feel good about your beauty choices. This product is proudly cruelty-free, so you can enhance your look ethically. What we like? Create a perfectly defined pout with this smooth gliding lip liner. It helps to shape and fill your lips for a polished look. If you want to prevent lipstick feathering and ensure your lip color stays within the lines, this is a must-have. What people say. The palette is great for color correcting. It helps to neutralize redness and dark circles effectively. The shades are blendable and buildable, allowing for customized coverage. Number 1. Maybelline New York Facestudio Master Camo Color Correcting Kit, Deep. Introducing the Facestudio Master Camo Color Correcting Kit. Achieve a perfect complexion with its advanced color correcting technology. This kit is designed to precisely target and neutralize any skin discoloration. Say goodbye to redness, dark circles, and blemishes. The Deep shade is formulated for deeper skin tones, offering seamless blending and natural-looking coverage. It effectively conceals imperfections. Its creamy formula glides on smoothly, making application effortless. You can easily build coverage for a customized finish. Keep this essential tool in your makeup bag for quick touch-ups or a full correction. It's your secret weapon for a flawless face. Experience the professional results of Maybelline New York. Get ready to reveal your most radiant skin yet. What we like? This kit is designed for deeper skin tones, offering targeted correction for dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Its smooth texture ensures seamless blending. If you have deeper skin and need specific shades to neutralize discoloration, this is the ideal solution. What people say. This palette is amazing for color correcting. It covers dark circles and redness effectively. The shades blend well and provide good coverage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.